Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. And if you've been rolling with me for a while, continue to hit the like button. It helps to keep me alive. Yes, you are looking at the right show. As you can see, I have Larry Jones TV behind me, but this is Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'll explain this in a minute. Today, we're going to talk about cryptocurrency, okay? Because we're talking about cryptocurrency, please do not fall for any spam below. Never send any information, money to anybody. Not a WhatsApp, not talk to my broker, it's all spam, good people. Don't fall for it, all right? Even if they say they're me. All right, let's just take a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole, I see a lot of upward catalysts for all of crypto, including the ones that's been stuck in a pattern like Cardano. I just see a lot of upside with the adoption. Now, we know about the ETF that came out today, and I bought one share. I did an order of one share of BITO, ticker symbol BITO, and it filled actually. And I was surprised. It actually filled at 40.76. And I just wanted to see what it's going to do. I don't think that this ETF is going to do much because it's a future. So they don't actually own any Bitcoin. It's futures, okay? I do believe that in short, there's going to be a real ETF coming. Now, I'm going to talk about actually some mining companies that I'm about to get back into, all right? Let's go to camera 2 here. So, what I'm going to tell you is Gary Gensler, the SEC chair. He talked about crypto this morning, and he talked about the ETF, and he talked about an 80-year-old rule. And if you listen to the entire thing for him, I believe it's actually pro EFT on the cryptocurrency. So I believe that we're going to have a real one, not a futures ones, but I believe that a real ETF, is coming for crypto. That will cause crypto to really, really, really rise. As a matter of fact, some people think that soon as that happens, which could happen in a matter of months, we'll send Bitcoin to $168, right? And then that's what it's going to do for Bitcoin. And just think what it's going to do for the rest of the market, especially if we're in another bull run. All right. So just wanted to say that. Let's go to the charts here, and let's start here. You see here, crypto's future ETF started trading today. Crypto expert says not anything you should be really investing in. I agree with that. It's a big nothing burger. Let's keep it going. US is now. Listen, this is what I want to talk to you about, good people. Remember when China kept talking about breaking down, which they were breaking down on Bitcoin mining companies? China kept just every time China poo-hoos or put out FUD about Bitcoin, all crypto just tanked, right? They talked about it being illegal, and we all thought it was just control. And it was control because China is about control. But we also found out that they don't have a strong infrastructure, right? They're having rolling blackouts in China because they can't even heat and cool all of the people that's there. So they're having rolling blackouts in China because their electric grid, their energy grid is weak. And so that's one of the reasons why they wanted to get rid of the Bitcoin mining companies, because they were draining their energy. And so now, if you look here, remember I was saying it's a good thing long run, just like broad adoption of Bitcoin. So if you see here, US is now the biggest Bitcoin miner in the world. Should we be happy? I say yes, we should be happy. The reason I say we should be happy because we don't have to worry about crypto crashing every time China sneezes. because it just drove me crazy. China would put out the same news time and time and time again every 4 months, and crypto would just tank. All right. When we have most of it out of China, which has already happened, and we get a real Bitcoin ETF, a real crypto ETF, then it's going to really, as some of the people say, start mooning. All right. And it's going to be good. There's more and more adoption. Even this futures ETF in crypto is just a further step towards full adoption. And it is good for you and my portfolios. All right. Let's keep it moving here. Now, I want to talk about Marathon, Mara. So as you could see, let's look at the 5-day in Mara. This is 1 month. Let's look at the 5-day in Mara. Look at what Mara has been doing. It's just been in a steady incline, over the last month. Okay, so what is Mara? For those of you that don't know, it's a Bitcoin mining company, right? So the two that I had was Mara and Riot. For those of you that was with me last year into this year, I will tell you, with Mara and Riot and other Bitcoin mining companies like this, you guys watched me turn $2,400 into $53,000. Okay, I was buying Mara when it was $1.50, and today it's $53.40. All right. And I just kept ramping up, and there was just crazy growth month after month after month, and they keep ordering new mining machines. Okay, so let's see what tip ranks say about Mara. All right, let's see what tip ranks say about Mara. If you see here, for those of you that don't know, tip ranks are some of the Wall Street analysts. They're the professionals, and they give a 12-month what they say it could reach. Okay. So now they're saying within 12 months, the average out of 4 Wall Street guys says that it could reach 62.50. All right. Wall Street analysts, a high of 87. I believe, giving the current rate, I do believe is actually going to hit more like $90. So that's my price prediction. So the average target is at upward of about 18%. I think that that's very bearish. I think that it's going up to 90%. I believe it'll at least hit where the highs is in 12 months, if not sooner. I don't believe it's going to take 12 months to hit this. For those of you that would like to have this at tip ranks, there's a link below in my description. Just go check it out there. Click the link when this video is over. Now, there's a second one that we're into, and it's called Riot. Let's look at Riot. Okay. Riot currently is, as we can see, they have a target price of $47. Let's see what all the analysts say. 46, 47. All right. So that's a 53% change from where it is now. Riot. So same deal. I mean, you got a low of 42, a high of 51. And let's see where is, okay, down here is what I like. These guys are the analysts, and they tell you where it should be. And it also gives you how accurate they are. Like this guy's success rate, Mr. Riley, is at 45%. But this guy's success rate is at 77%. He has 5 stars, and he says $45. And so that's how, you kind of gauge it. All right. So I just want to put these two on your radar. I'm more bullish on Mara. Mara has been running up, and Riot has been not running like Mara is. I've always done better for some reason, though there are periods where they just operate in lockstep. They both move at the same rate. And but Mara has been doing much better than Riot. Okay. And so that's why Riot is my favorite. I just wanted to put this on you guys' list. I wouldn't start just piling money in. Again, right now, I would start dollar cost averaging in, because the second half of November can be very tricky. We got inflation still coming. We got the Feds maybe going up with interest rates and tapering. They may start tapering, all of that. And then you got the infrastructure bill that hasn't been passed. But more importantly, you got the debt ceiling. So you got all of that hitting the second week of November. That's why I am trading right now. I am making some money right now, but I'm not all cashed in. So at first I was 75% cash. Now I'm more like 60% cash, because I started buying some stock, and I'm still every day buying a share of GM and now 3 shares of Ford. And it's working really, really well for me. All right, good people. Just want to leave these things about crypto and the overall market. Now, let me end by saying this about crypto. I believe that crypto, Bitcoin has run up a lot. I believe that there's going to be a slight cool off, which always happens, right? And then I believe that there's room for the bull market after the cool off. I don't know how long the cool off is going to last, but I believe that the bull market is yet to come. So it really doesn't matter where you are right now, if you bought at the top of the market or if you bought down low like we did. I think you're going to be okay long term, okay? Then when the bull market hits, when crypto really goes into its bull run, then you need to look at, are you going to hold long or are you going to take profits? All right, good people. Hey, make sure you click the links below. I do all my buy and hold in crypto in, I do all my swing trading with Webull. Deposit $100. They're going to give you up to $2,300 in free stock. And I do all of my long-term holding in Coinbase. I'm sorry, good people. And then if you want a bank account, a crypto bank account, BlockFi. You can earn 8% in BlockFi, just having your money in BlockFi rather than having it in a bank. And they're going to pay you monthly. And they have a credit card where they give you free Bitcoin for using it. They pay you in Bitcoin, all right? That's how you earn your interest. So let me explain why I am in my Studio B. Same desk as you guys could see. I just changed the backlight because I have a second page. After you guys click all 3 of those links and deposit $100, do me a favor and go to my secondary page called Larry Jones TV. It's also in the description. And just go over there and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I do inspirational talk there, and I'm able to talk about some really, really cool things over there. But the reason why you should just go ahead and subscribe now, if something happens to this page, then that is where I'm going to be doing all of this. I'm just going to move over there so I don't miss a day. So do yourself a favor and me a favor. Go over to Larry Jones TV. It's in the description below, and subscribe to that page. So what I'm going to do is end this video with the outro of my intro for my Larry Jones TV. All right, good people. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn. What's up, good people?